I bought this home 20 years ago. It was a broken down house, really dilapidated. Being a single mom, it was a sacrifice that I had to make. And making the most of the little that I had to be able to have this house. I found a wonderful man. We married, and he's helped me with my dream that you see today at JoTham. We've been struggling to get well known for years. I was already on the net, but I didn't know too much about it. Being older is so difficult because I didn't grow up with smartphones and technology. I realized if you are not groomed in educating yourself towards technology, you will be left behind. So I had to educate myself. In March 2017, I attended Google digital training. It opened up a new avenue for marketing my business. When people are looking for accommodation in Durban, and I asked them, where did you find me? Oh, we checked on Google. The proof is in the increase of my turnover, which is 40% higher. Make your own future. This is your life, and no one is responsible for this life but you.